Hi, I'm John Wheeler, Director of Engineering here at Vernier Software and Technology. Today we're going to collect data using the Go Wireless Temp and an iPad. Go Wireless Temp comes in this eco-friendly packaging. I'm going to open it up, and inside you'll find the temperature sensor, some instructions, and a charging cable. First thing on the instructions is to charge the temperature sensor. You do this by snapping on the charge cable to the end of the temperature sensor and plugging this end into a USB port. It takes about 2 hours to charge the Go Wireless Temp. While you're doing that, you can download the free application from the Apple Store. Go Wireless Temp app, once it's on your iPad, you can launch it, and it will begin by looking for a Go Wireless device. So on your temperature sensor, it's very simple controls. There's a single button to turn it on and off, and an LED to show you when it's collecting data. So we want to turn that unit on. Now it sees the temperature sensor, and we'll select it. And now you'll see on the left side of the display there is a bar meter showing the present reading of the temperature. Go Wireless Temp can read from minus 40 degrees C to plus 125 degrees C. Now this wireless range is about 30 meters and a clear hallway with no obstructions, but you can get a good distance away from your iPad and still collect data. So we have a beaker of hot water and a beaker of cold water here, just to give us a nice temperature difference and some interesting numbers. So we'll stick the temperature sensor into the hot one. You can see the numbers rising, the temperature going up. If we want to collect data over time, there's a graph here. And to begin collecting data, we press the collect button. Now you can see we're collecting data. Now we're going to move the temperature sensor from the warm water to the cool water. But the Go Wireless Temp is a rugged enclosure. In fact, it's watertight in case someone decides to use this as a stir stick or something. It shouldn't damage the device. Well, we're going to put the right end of the ice beaker, and so we should see a great temperature change there. And so now that we've collected some data, we're able to go through and select points and read off those data points, examine those data points. So over here you can see the reading. So if I move around the graph, maybe these points are interesting. You can see the temperature at those individual points on the graph. If we want to do further analysis, we can export this data using email, text messages. This will come through as a text file, or we can actually export it directly to our graphical analysis for iOS application. Here we see that same graph. We can select regions, we can do curve fits, statistics, and any other further analysis we'd like to do. For more information on graphical analysis or the Go Wireless Temp, please visit our website.